Hey y'all, it's me again, Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant. And today we're going to talk about 5 challenges holding your cleaning business back and how to fix them. Hey, cleaning business owners, if you're struggling to grow your cleaning business, you're not alone. Many business owners hit roadblocks that slow them down and even put them out of business. But today, I'm breaking down the top 5 challenges holding you back and how to fix them so that you can scale your cleaning company and land more contracts. If you're serious about growing a profitable cleaning business, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more expert business building tips. So let's dive in. Struggling to get new clients? Well, without a steady flow of clients, your business won't survive. Many business owners rely too much on the word of mouth instead of actively marketing their business. If you're not getting new contracts, it's time to upgrade your strategy. Now, how to fix it? Go create a Google business profile. It's free and helps local clients find you. Join a local business group and networking event. The best clients come from referrals. And we talked about that in my last video. Use social media marketing. Show before and after photos and success stories. Like that at the beginning really helps to show them before and after pictures. And if they're not yours, go find some, make some up. Cold outreach works. Email and call businesses directly. Offer a free walkthrough. And a pro tip, your business should always be marketing, even when you have contracts, because a dry pipeline equals no growth. And then hiring and retaining employees. Your business is only as strong as your team. And I found that to be true throughout the years. One of the biggest struggles for cleaning business owners is finding reliable workers and keeping them long term. High employee turnover leads to inconsistent service and unhappy clients. And I don't like to keep changing cleaners in a building because just like that, you have inconsistent service and they know when it's somebody they're different. So let's talk about how to fix it. Hire the right people. Look for reliability and work ethic over experience. And what I found too is that people who have experience are the hardest to train because they got that mindset. They're already set. Same like with people who work for hotels. They got a certain mindset too. And the experienced people is the most hardest. So that's not always the best to look for. I like to look for people who are reliable and who are trainable. So you want to look for that. Offer competitive pay. The best employees stay where they are valued. Create a positive work environment. Reward good work. Give bonuses for performance. Train and develop employees. A well trained cleaner does high quality work and stays longer. And here's another pro tip: the best employees want stability and growth. Treat them well and they'll stick with you. And I'm seeing that to be true too, because this is the best team I've had since I've been in business. And then pricing your services correctly. If you're underpricing, you're working harder for less money. Many new business owners undercut prices just to win contracts, but end up losing money. And that is so true because you look at it as far as just for you and you try to jump out, you don't make no money. Others overprice their services and scare away potential clients. Now you gotta, this is too where the experience come in, that because you can walk in a building and it'll look huge to you. And you'll think, oh, shoot, I got to charge them, blah, blah, blah. And you still going out your head. And then you're overpricing your service. And now they don't want to deal with you because your price is too high. So, how to fix that? Know your costs. Calculate your labor, supplies, and overhead before setting prices. Check the market. Research competitor rates to stay competitive. Charge for value, not just time. Offer premium services like deep cleaning or eco-friendly options. Set minimum pricing standards. Don't take low paying jobs that aren't worth your time. You'll be stuck with them, I'm telling you. A pro tip: a profitable business is built on smart pricing. If you're not making at least a 30 to 40% profit margin, you need to adjust your rates. Maintaining quality standards is important. Your reputation is everything. One bad review can cost you big time. If you're not if you're inconsistent with your service, clients will notice. Many cleaning businesses lose contracts because of small mistakes like missed areas, lateness, or poor communication. And you really want to have communication with your clients, and please avoid any missed cleans. And if you can't avoid a missed clean, try to reschedule it during that same month, that time period, so that you don't have to adjust your invoice. So, how to fix the complaints? Use a cleaning checklist. This ensures every job meets high standards. Train your team properly. A well trained cleaner delivers quality service. Do surprise quality checks. Inspect your team's work randomly to maintain standards. Ask your clients for feedback. A simple follow-up message can help fix problems before they become bad reviews. And then here's another pro tip. Consistent quality builds your reputation. Clients will refer you and keep coming back. And that definitely is true. Managing your cash flow. If you're always waiting on payments, your business can't grow. Many cleaning businesses struggle with late payments and don't plan their finances properly. Without a steady cash flow, paying employees, buying supplies, and growing your business becomes impossible. And that's so true, because in this industry, and I don't know if about other ones, but in this industry, clients pay late. I don't know if because they don't have the money yet or what's going on, but in this industry, clients pay late. And yes, we offer late fees and all that. Shit, you can't get the main invoice fee, let alone the late fee. So I've never gotten any late fees. I'm just gonna be honest. And if somebody has a way that they're accruing those late fees, please let me know how you're doing it, because I it's on there, but they don't pay it. So you gotta have a plan to pay your people. If nothing else, you have to have a plan to pay your people. So now one way to fix it is set clear payment terms. Always use a contract with net 15 or net 30 payment policy. And see, another thing too, sometimes you have to, like, you may have a specific pay term, but the client may have their own specific pay term. So this is where the communication lies as well. You have to see if their pay term and your pay term aligns. If not, you need to know they're going to pay you in 30 days instead of 15 days, so that you don't be expecting it and counting it for your payroll and stuff. And then one thing I noticed too is you have to when you start a business, you have to create an invoice uh, software. Like, how are you getting your money? You have to get an invoice software, and Wave is free. Use wave.com and set up your invoicing so you can get your money. So you have to send invoices promptly. Don't wait. Use QuickBooks, use Wave, use an automated invoice system. Charge late fees. If your clients don't pay on time, they should face penalties. That's true, but you don't always get the late fees. And then keep emergency funds. Always have 2 to 3 months worth of expenses saved. Pro tip: the best businesses focus on financial management. Track your money and stay profitable. And I'm actually working on that as we speak. Now you know how to fix the biggest challenges in your the I'm sorry. Now you know how to fix the biggest challenges in your cleaning business. Now you have the tools to overcome the biggest obstacles in your cleaning business. Let's do a recap. Getting new clients. You got to advertise, get a Google page. That's how my business grows. We talked about hiring and retaining great employees, pricing services correctly, maintaining high quality standards, managing your cash flow properly. So if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge in running your cleaning business? Thank you guys for watching. This is Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant, and I'll see you on the next video.